All right, good morning, developers, and welcome to the video. In my company, recently I started using Optimizely, which is a testing framework which allows you to roll out new features and in a testing phase. It's pretty amazing. What it does is basically based on a button toggle on the cloud, you can deploy new features. You can add that feature to a certain customer, certain traffic. It's pretty amazing. I'm very excited to teach you about Optimizely. Let's watch a video first.
Meet Optimizely, a digital experience optimization platform that drives engagement, adoption, and conversion through experimentation. Today's customers interact with companies across multiple touchpoints. If you're developing a website or any app with an internet connection, Optimizely is the best solution for optimizing the entire customer journey. Our visual editor enables any team to easily test variations, quickly change copy to validate new messaging, add or rearrange elements, and update imagery. It works out of the box with most single-page apps and offers best-in-class site performance. Ready to launch an experiment? Optimizely's stats engine gathers data on how new experiences perform, letting you know when a variation becomes a winner. More experiments help you increase acquisition, engagement, and retention to ultimately drive more revenue. Website personalization helps deliver the most relevant and engaging experiences. Using targeting options such as behavior, location, and real-time audiences, Optimizely makes sure you reach your customers with the right message at the right time. Personalization is even easier at scale with adaptive audiences. Using natural language processing, Optimizely's adaptive audiences highlights your customers' interests. Add keywords that describe your target audience, and we'll find visitors that care about that topic. Once a visitor shows interest in an item, returning to the homepage immediately changes their experience. Optimizely also lets you easily add recommendations to any part of your site to help your customers discover relevant products or content. Experiment with multiple algorithms to determine the best experience. Using machine learning, your recommendations are constantly updated to deliver maximum ROI. Optimizely Full Stack tests more sophisticated logic in your application. Full Stack helps you experiment across websites, mobile apps, TVs, or even voice and chat bots. Engineers can optimize both new and existing features and test underlying business logic like pricing, algorithms, or search results. With the ability to experiment anywhere, it's easier than ever to improve product metrics. Releasing new software can be risky. Full Stack includes feature management to make launching safer. Instead of launching to everyone, watching errors spike and sentiment plummet, roll out your new feature to 1% of users or beta testers only. Once you gain confidence, gradually roll out to everyone. With feature management, you can update your apps on the fly without a deploy. Optimizely also comes with powerful program management to help you scale faster. Crowdsource innovation by letting anyone in your company submit experiment ideas. Get insights into your experimentation program's performance and increase its experiment rate up to 5x. Optimizely also integrates with Jira and Slack to provide better visibility about your experiments across your company. Our open platform approach connects seamlessly with your preferred analytics solutions, audience managers, and data sources, turning insight into action. That's Optimizely, the world's leading digital experience optimization platform. Out-experiment, outperform.
That is amazing. So you know what it does? So let me just pull up my video quickly a little bit. Oops, right there. So yeah, so I want to explain you what it does. So it's so amazing, like let's say you are working on a feature, just an example, okay? Let's say you're working on an algorithm which would basically give a relevant results on the top, some sorting algorithm, right? So, but the thing is you want to only roll out that feature to 10% of the people, right? Only certain traffic. Instead of changing in the code always, what Optimizely does is you can create a button on the cloud, and when you click that button, it would be basically a flag. So it would turn the flag to true, and in your code you can add a logic. If that flag is true, add the optimization algorithm, else you use the normal one. So based on just a toggle of the button switch on the cloud, you can roll out features to your customers like amazing. I loved it. I mean, to me, it's just magic. It's amazing. So I did try out. I'm gonna create some tutorials on Python, of course, Python SDK. So hope you did make, hope you this made sense, right? What Optimizely is all about and how you can use Optimizely in your project. So my manager told me about this, and I learned and I want to teach you guys about Optimizely. So in the next video, we'll learn how to roll out features to the customers, only certain customers based on traffic, right? So in the next video, we will learn about that. But if you have any more questions, list your questions in the comments and I would be very happy to assist you. Once again, thank you for watching. Keep smiling, keep coding. See you guys next time.